ANENG M109. It is a CATIII 500 watt, 4000 count auto winking 2 RMS digital multimeter. It LCD display. It have a without voice function, and this meter version is Chinese. Battery U AAA 2-piece. Test pan is a 50 cm long PVC cable, CATIII 1000 watt, and DC watt 1 watt to 500 watt, AC watt 1 watt to 500 watt. Resistor measure function is a 1 ohm to 20 mega ohm. DCM is a 1 milliamp to 2 amp. ACM 1 milliamp to 2 amp. It has capacity function. It 1 PF to 4 megafarad. Frequency is 0.1 Hz to 4 MHz. It has continuity function. Less than 50 ohm may be bisang on, and then it has NCV function of this meter. Let's see the meter. The meter comes with a box. Model is a M109. It made in China. And a meter, and come with a soft plastic bag. I open it first, and let's see the meter. They have a steel dent in the battery compartment, and come with a Chinese user menu and an English user menu. In a process, a pair of the battery, AAA, and a test lead. The test lead comes with a cover cap like this. And this is a PVC cable, and you not is normal. It is a 3mm plug and short type 3mm plug. It fit in the meter is good and not loosen of this. Okay, let's test the meter. DC weapon voltage test. It's 2.508 watt. 5 watt. It's 5.01 watt. $7.5 watt. $10 watt. Let's see another test. AC voltage test. And this meter shows 221.4 or 220.9. No, 7. Okay, 221. And unity is 220. Let's hold the data. About 221.2, and unity is a 220.42. Okay. NCV test. It must be put on this week and test the circuit. If far from here, it about 4 cm have 1 bar. Near is 2 bar. And 3 bar. And also have 4 bar now time. Okay. Let's see the cable. We have 1 bar, 2 bar, and mix is a 4 bar. Touch. Okay. Let's see another one. UNCV mode, find the hot line. Red, test lead. Neutral, no. F, no. Hot wire, okay. It can find it. Use the bad test lead. Neutral, it have 1B. F, no. Hot wire, it have long 4 bar and sound. Okay. Let's see another test. Resistor test. One ohm. It shows 0.9 ohm. 10 ohm. It shows 10.3 ohm. 10.4K. It shows 9.98 km. 20.03K. It shows 19.91 km. Okay, let's see the bigger one. 5 met. It shows 4.98 mega ohm. And this meter make resistor is about 220 mega ohm. Let's see the function. 22.3 met. It shows 22.17 met. And let's see the bigger one, 40 mega ohm. It about 39.28 mega ohm. 60. It cannot show the reading. Okay. Let's see another function. Continuity test. And this meter is under or equal to 50 ohm, maybe B sound on. Now 50 ohm. Let's see the meter. It shows 49.9 ohm. And the dB about 71.3 dB. And let's see the latching. If so far no any response, it stopped. It shows 0.1 ohm. Okay, let's see another function. I test. It tests okay of the die. Let's see the die function light on the LED. It tests okay. Capacitor test. It's so 10.59 microfarad and see a bigger. It's so 1.054 megafarad. It's okay. And let's see the bigger one. It's a 4.2 megafarad. It's okay. Die output voltage. It come out as a 3.96 watt DC. Normal AC frequency test. It's so 49.96 Hz. It's so okay. DC current test. Now you resistor test the current. Now it's a max current 2 amp. Okay. Now it's a 700 microhertz. There is a 0.7 hertz. This meter minimum is 0.5. and under not okay. And this meter say that they have a max is 4 megahertz. Now it's 4 megahertz. And we try this meter max is about 21 megahertz. Sorry. Now see, rising up. Now 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. It may be no wrong reading now. Okay, let's see another function. Power consumption test. Its draw current is 1.5 milliamp about, and open the NCV and the backlight. It draws 7.2 milliamp. Or max is 10.8 milliamp. It fast draw the current. And make is 159.8 milliamp. Okay. Battery voltage test. It about draw 0.04 amp for maximum, and we load down the battery voltage 2.9 watt, 2.8 watt, 2.7 watt, 2.6, 2.5, 2.4. When the 2.4 watt the battery low logo come out. Now see the backlight. The backlight cannot open. And now roll down the voltage, 2.3 watt. And 2.3 watt, the meter maybe come down. And when rising up to the 3 watt, it cannot automatically come out. Now open it. Now open the backlight and see again. 2.7 watt. 2.6, 2.5, very dim, near no light, no backlight. 2.4, the logo come out. Okay, let's try another function. High voltage DC test. (100 watt). This meter show 111 watt. Its mega is a 9.98 mega. 250. It show 277.2 watt. 500 watt. It show 550 watt. 9.93 mega. Okay, let's see another test. The meter when not used in 50 minutes maybe auto turn down. Now see the meter. Meter teardown. There is the steel stand at the wheel side. There is the meter. There is the battery compartment. There is the serial number recovered and a soft key. That's wet one. Okay, open it. Inside no any shielding, and they have a wheel speaker of this one for the voice module. Voice module is no any part name, and they have a mini relay, and have a PTC protest, and a crystal LED NCV sensor. Okay, let's close up. The version is 15C version 1. There is the beaker. It only have a little parts inside. And come with a relay. And a PTC. And a relay. Current sun. And a transistor. Okay, let's open the meter. And also the wheel side, next side, no any parts. It's a backlight. Let's see again the circuit board. There is a no-name component, the IC. And the LCD skin, ribbon, and a touch key. Okay, teardown finish. NCV test. It must be put on this switch first. And need 3 cm 1 bar, 2 cm 2 bar, and need is a 3 or 4 bar. But this meter winning angle is not very well. If you open the backlight, that may be bad. Okay.